Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at this hair, y'all. Like, oh my god. Like, I'm really about to be taking this down. So, like, today I am going to be showing you guys how to safely and effectively take down your boho knotless braids without damaging your hair. Whether you guys had these in for weeks or just a few days, I've got you covered. Okay? So, I'll have some tips and tricks that you guys can use to keep your hair healthy while taking these out. And let's get into it. But before, I want to let you guys see how my scalp is. Do you guys really see how I have not that much of build? Like I don't have that much of buildup. Do you see how clean my scalp is? Like I have such new growth. Usually when I get braids, my hair will be so dirty and I have a lot of buildup, but my hair has little to no buildup. So I think that's really cool, and I know that these will be a breeze to take out because I have been maintaining them while I did have them in. You guys can see my maintenance video. I posted it a couple weeks ago, a couple of days ago. Not really sure the exact date, but as you guys can see, like my hair is very clean. So these should be a breeze to take out. So if you're interested in seeing on how I take my Boho Knotless Braids out, keep on watching. Okay? So let's get into it. Guys, this is what I like to do whenever I take out my braids, okay? So first, I like to have my bag. Now, like I told y'all, my hair wasn't that dirty, but before we start, we have to make sure that we have everything we need. So I have my scissors, I have my plastic bag, and I have some oil. Now I'm going to put oil right at the roots of some of them if it has too much of buildup. If it doesn't have that much of buildup, then I'm not going to worry about it. But I like to, because my nails are long, I like to take them out, just go through and unbraid them. So I have my scrunchie here. And then I like to apply just a little bit of oil to my braids before we're starting, because it kind of softens up the hair a bit, and it helps to minimize any breakage whenever we start taking the braids out. Okay, so we're going to put a little oil on there, just straight through, because I'm going to take the front ones out first. We'll put some here. Just take that out first. Okay. And this oil that I'm using, it's on the same beauty brand, the Sour Beauty, because I will be using these products as well to do the deep conditioner. And it also has a moisturizer too. So it is a black owned brand. And I love using this brand because the goal for my hair is to grow it longer. And I want to have more retention. And this is really good products. I've seen a lot of good reviews from it. So I have been using this for about how many months I've been using? A couple of months. And it has done really good on my hair. Okay. So I am going to start by putting the rest of my hair in a ponytail. And guys, if you notice any tangles, don't pull, you're going to gently work them through. Okay, so we have our bag here. I'm going to put it right there. So, I'm not sure how long, wherever my hair may be. So, I'm just going to cut it, guesstimating. I like to start, I know it's not going to be all the way down. So, what I like to do, I like to cut it here. Boom. Then I put it in the bag. And how you see how this hair is, you can go ahead and cut off that knotless braid hair, because you're not even going to need that hair. You can cut it all off, literally, because it's just a hair. So what you do is you're going to go through with your fingers, and you're just going to begin unbraiding it, okay? Now you may have some the ends from the other hair, from the knotless braid hair fall out, but that's okay. You can just put it in your bag. But this is what I like to do. I like to use my hands to really get it in there, because sometimes my comb don't be going right. So now, once I get to the back, I might use my comb if I can't see back there. But yeah. We're gonna just do this one without the comb first, just to see what I'm working with. Cause I'm telling y'all, I might not use that comb, but then again, I might use it. I don't even know why I'm lying. But for real, depending on like the braids and stuff, I might not wanna. I don't use it. But yeah. All right, so you guys can see how I am going through and just making sure. You see how clean, like this is really a clean and crisp like breakdown. Like you can really tell how clean and crisp it is just from like taking this down. You see? So once we get to the top, I'll show you guys how we can detangle, because detangle will be next. All right, y'all see that? Okay, so this is what it looks like. So what I am going to do now is I am going to get me some detangler, some leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to put this on my growth here, as you guys can see. I want to make sure that it's really close up that y'all can see. So I'm going to spray the leave-in on there just to make sure that it has moisture in it, and that's going to prevent the breakage. And then I'm going to go through it using my fingers to separate this, okay? This is my leave-in conditioner. I know a lot of people don't like Miel, but hey, I don't care. I love Miel. Miel works for me. And yeah, that's how we're gonna do that one. So, I know my light might be a little too bright for it, guys, but it's okay. So I just want you guys to see this. So I'm gonna spray the leave-in like on my hand, and then I'm going to put it here at the root, so I can make sure that this prevents any breakage. And I'm gonna go down with my hand like that, just to make sure that everything is being like worked out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. See? Real simple. I have fine, very fine hair texture, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. I just want to make sure that everything is good to go. So, this is what we're going to do next. After we've removed this and detangled it, I am going to show you guys like my hair care routine. But I'm going to take all this down first, and then I'll come back once my hair is fully done, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my deep conditioner routine, and also what my hair is going to look like when it's washed and all that fun stuff. So I just wanted to show y'all what this is gonna look like. But as y'all can see, look at the growth. Like, look at my hair. Like, OMG, y'all. This is only one braid, and let me tell y'all, I had got a sew in a couple months ago. In this part, I had my brother helping me take my hair down, y'all, and he freaking cut my hair. I wasn't tripping though because I was like, it's just hair to grow back. So I got these braids, and I was like, okay, you know what? The braids gonna do what it do. So I had these braids in. I was like, okay, let me do the right thing, keep my maintenance up, making sure I'm adding my oil and moisturizer to my hair. And y'all, my freaking hair done grew back. Like, I kid you not. I'm going to have to show you guys like the before and after. I don't remember if I took pictures or not, but guys, look at this. You really can do like a but yeah, I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you guys the full process. So stay tuned. Please make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so you can be updated whenever I drop a new video. But sit tight and I will have the video posted for you guys, and I'm also going to show you guys my next steps. Okay, y'all, okay, I got half of my hair down and half of it left, so I took a shower and we'll just finish the rest of this tomorrow because I'm tired. So yeah, we're gonna finish the other half tomorrow, and then I'll finish my routine and you guys can see everything then. But see y'all soon and good night. Okay guys, the time now is 8:45. It is a new day. I think I did tell y'all that last little clip. But yes, it is 8:45, Sunday the January 5th. I don't know why I'm so tired. Like, I feel like my body is just like telling me to go lay down and rest. But yeah, we were supposed to have like a little freezing blizzard thing today, so I don't know. That's why. And it's been raining all day. Maybe that's why I'm tired. But I was supposed to go get my eyebrows done, and I didn't. Y'all, look at my eyebrows. Like, they look a freaking mess. Like, they're so thick. Like, I just know they gonna look good though when I get them threaded. But safe to say, when I'm gonna get that done. So maybe we can squeeze that in Tuesday, get that done. But yeah, this shampoo for my hair. I did buy some other stuff, but I'm gonna just wait to use it. And then I have the Cara Daughters, the Jelly to Cream conditioner. If the camera focus. But it looked like this. It's the Jelly to Cream one. That's the conditioner. And then I'm gonna use Camille Rose, the leave in the honey. Once I finish washing everything out, just to make sure my hair is moisturized. And then I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, like, I'm really gonna sleep like Pitbull tonight. I was gonna try to, like, twist the hair, anything like that. But you know, that first time when you get them braids out, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, my hair feels so good right now. So, yeah. But let me take this off. So this is on my hair. I'll be putting it in like 2 ponytails, but I want to make sure, like this in here, I try to make sure you can't really see it. Then my whole head is saturated with the deep conditioner. So when I go to wash it out, like I'm not missing no part. But because I didn't have this in my head a long time, I'm going to hop in. Okay, y'all, this is the protein treatment that I use. And I keep it pretty much refrigerated, but it has the directions on the back. And I always use a plastic bag to cover my hair. So in the next clip, I'll explain it. You guys will see that on my hair, but this is the directions that I follow. And that is just my hair saturated with the deep conditioner in there. And then it also shows you guys just how I put both of my plaits in 2 balls just to make sure that I have my deep conditioner saturated all over my head. the main important thing is we got these braids out. We got the deep conditioner done. So we can moisturize her up and just let my hair breathe and relax with no tension or anything. And I'll probably do my hair like next Sunday or something like that, just to give my hair like a break and just let it just let my hair be and relax. So yeah, if y'all have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment box below. And if y'all want to know like any products and stuff that I use, please just comment and let me know, or you can message me. But we're gonna go wash this out and yeah, get this out together. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next. So guys, I'm just showing y'all how I moisturize and just slick my hair back. But hey, this is it. This is all. Taking my hair down out them braids and just really shaking it back into its natural state. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on him, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had day shifts? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said baby don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said baby don't be mad, you know how break it.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.